If you need to block someone on Kiva, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and efficiently. Follow these steps to ensure you can manage your interactions on the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Kiva website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or username, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Access your connections. In your profile, look for a section labeled Connections or Friends. Click on this section to view your current connections. Step 4. Find a user to block. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Block the user. Once you locate the user, click on their profile. Look for an option that says block or remove connection. Confirm your choice to block the user. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Kiva and manage your interactions effectively. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Kiva's help resources.